Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm just going to show you how to clear your home page here on Photoshop. Alright, so as you can see, this is my home page, and you can see these are all files that I've worked on recently. Right now, what if you wanted to clear this and just make it completely blank? How would you achieve that? So it's very simple. You just come here to edit, come up here to edit, click on edit. Alright, sorry, come to file, not edit, come to file, click on file, go to open recent. Alright, when you click on open recent, you're going to see every single file that is opened, right? So all of my files here, everything here is going to be displayed in file open recent. Now if you come to the bottom, you're going to see clear recent file list. Click on it, and just like magic, everything has been cleared. Alright, so thank you for watching. Do like this video, subscribe, drop a comment, share it to a designer that you think would benefit. Have a nice day.